To buy WeCoin, first log into your wallet. In this case, I am using MetaMask. The first step is to make sure that you are connected to the BNB Smart Chain network, as WeCoin is a BNB Smart Chain asset. Next, you want to connect your wallet to the decentralized exchange PancakeSwap. Once you've connected to BNB Chain on PancakeSwap, select the BNB Chain asset and the amount that you want to trade for WeCoin. At the bottom, paste the WeCoin address, which is found in the notes of this video. I hit swap, and I confirm. It is important to note that in order to make this transaction possible, you need to pay network gas fees, so you do need a small amount of the BNB coin in your wallet. I will wait, and I will have to confirm this transaction with my wallet. You can see here that I have 13 cents in gas fees, which is why it's important to have some BNB in your wallet. As you can see now, the transaction has gone through. I have the green check mark and I have the transaction receipt. So I could click here, and at this moment I will go to my MetaMask wallet just to confirm that I do have the WeCoin, which I do, and I have minus $50 in USDT because of the transaction. And now I have my WeCoin, and it is recommended that you stake your WeCoin. So see the video on staking WeCoin. WeCoin can also be used on Weset.app to get discounts on real-world assets that pay passive income.